This one for the farmers, the village people, the hard-working souls of Fiji. Hey. Before the sun comes up, he's already away. Boots by the door, no time for a break. Fields full of cane and cassava rows. Sweat on his brow, but the river still flows. From the village road to the dusty farm, working with his hands, keeping his family warm. Little one sleeping while he walks away, praying for a better day. Oh, life ain't easy on this island land, but hope still grows in these working hands. Through the struggle, through the pain, they plant their dreams like falling rain. For the farmers of Fiji, strong and proud, from the village fields to the market crowd. Indiana, Toke, we stand as one, working hard till the day is done. Through the storms and the rising heat, barefoot walking on tired feet. Every sacrifice, every scar, you're the reason we are who we are. Mama in the market before daylight, selling dollar just to make it right. Counting coins with tired eyes, still find strength when the baby cries. Father cutting cane under burning skies, dreaming big though the pay is small. Every dollar earned the hard way, just to keep food on the plate each day. Oh, sometimes the load feels heavy, bills keep coming, pockets empty, but they don't give up, they stand up tall. For their family they give it all. For the farmers of Fiji, strong and proud, from the village fields to the town crowd. Indiana, Toke, hand in hand, building hope across this land. Through the struggle and the tears at night, still they fight the good fight. Every sacrifice, every scar, you're the reason we are who we are. No camera see the tears they hide, no spotlight on their daily grind, but heaven knows the seeds they sow, and one day those seeds will grow. From Labasa side to the Coral Coast, it's the working people we honor most. Simple dreams, humble prayer, love is the wealth they share. For the farmers of Fiji, hear this song. You've been a backbone all along. Through every drought and cyclone rain, you rise again and again. Before the sun and after dark, you carry hope inside your heart. Every sacrifice, every scar, you're the reason we